Hello again, grade 5 students. Now, we will create graffiti art. This activity will help us understand more what emphasis is all about. Let's get started. Here's how we do it. Follow these simple steps. First, in your paper, I want you to create a border or margin. As you can see, nakagawa na ako ng margin. And dito lang sa loob ng margin na ito kayo maggagawa ng artwork. Okay? Now, create the colorful base layer. Use oil pastels or crayons to cover your paper with bright contrasting colors. Ayan. So, bago kayo maglagay ng color pala, pwede kayong gumamit muna ng masking tape and then dikitan nyo yung pinaka-border para hindi magkalat yung color mamaya. Okay? Ngayon, maglalagay na tayo ng colorful, bright colors. Yan. Make sure lang na pag maglalagay kayo ng color ay madiin para kumapit yung color. Ayan, okay. Ayan muna yung unang color and then I will use another bright color. Ayan. Kahit anong color yung gamitin nyo, basta wag lang yung mga dark colors like blue, dark blue, purple, or dark violet. Wag lang yung mga ganun. Ayan. Next is ito. Ayan, pwedeng kahit saan kayo mag-start maglagay ng color or kahit saang part, basta make sure lang na malagay nyo lahat ng color. Ito, gagamit ako ng green naman. So, pwede akong gumamit pa ng other colors like ito, pink. Ayan, nakita nyo na kung bakit kailangan kong maglagay ng masking tape kasi makalat siya pag walang ganito. Maglalagpas sa border, ayan. Ibang color ulit, pwedeng ganyan. After nyan, pwedeng bumalik ulit ako sa color orange. Very random lang talaga yung paglalagay ko. Ayan. So, malapit na nating mapuno. Next, apply the black top layer. Cover the entire surface with black oil pastel. Be careful lang para hindi masyadong madumi. Ayan, para maging mas madali yung paglalagay niya ng black. Ayan, isang ano lang siya. Ayan, ganyan. Laging pababa yung stroke. Hindi yung baba, tataas ka. Kasi magkakaroon ng ganyan batik-batik na white. Now, sketch your design. Lightly draw a simple design, any design that you want, then choosing one main focal point. Next is scratch out the focal point first. You may use a toothpick or a pen without an ink. Now, to reveal the colors beneath. Since yung available lang sa akin is pen without an ink, so ito yung gagamitin ko. Now, add background and supporting details. Now, scratch lighter textures in the background so they don't overpower the focal point. Pwede tayong mag-add ng other figures sa background niya, pero make sure lang na hindi siya masasapawan or ma-overpower. Now, you may want to add your final touches. Clean off dust and check if your focal point stands out. And there you have it, a stunning graffiti artwork that showcases emphasis beautifully. Kindly erase lang yung mga mancha sa gilid para malinis. For the last part, tatanggalin na natin yung masking tape sa gilid. And there you have it, a stunning graffiti artwork that showcases emphasis beautifully. Now, it's your turn. Try this technique and show off your amazing creations. That's it for today's adventure, grade 5 students. Remember, emphasis is what makes an artwork stand out and speak to the viewer. See you in the next art session.